Can you hear me?
Yes.
Aisha, Neil Modi, Yaksh Gajjar, Tia, Devanshi, Ashwini, Pranjwal, Sneha, everyone, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think last time we completed Anne Frank. Okay, and tell me what are they doing in your school currently?
Annie Frank.
Beta, beta. Up. Chapter. You? Kid story. Maxwell. Yeah. Yeah. First chapter of why so back? But virtually तो होता होगा ना online. You did nothing. But 15 days of virtual vacation can be expensive. Virtually lockdown is not. अच्छा. तो बात बहुत गंभीर. आप what are you doing in your school? Stanza, right? हाँ. ऐसे जोर से बोलने का stanza. Chapter 4. What is the name of chapter 4? From the diary of Anne Frank. Yeah. आप अपने आप को कंसीडर क्यों नहीं करते? मैं आपको पूछा, आप पीछे देख. Thief story. Okay, you? इतने आगे पहुंच गए? Tiger in the zoo. आपने क्या बोला था? Good place without. Yashvi, what about you? With what is started? 100 lessons. Part 1. Part 2 पे पहुंचे इतना ना? Jainam? The thief story. And Frank Faye. So can you show me the index of both the books? Have you got the another book? Amanda
Sir,
is done.
ball poem.
Ball poem. I think we have done ball poem, right? Great. Amanda is done or left? Here it is left. Chalo to pehla amendment. Amendment to SS path. So there is an amendment, right? You know what is amendment, right? That's the
Yes.
reason why you're 10th, right? So we know something about SS. Please don't make us feel shy. Chalo. So ready for Amanda? I think okay. Let me know what is done in footprints. In here, like here, what have they done so far? Anshu ma'am, कहाँ तक करवाया? Footprints
The
में
midnight visitor तक.
midnight visitor is done.
वहाँ तक हो.
Question of से बाकी है. Okay, and here we have done one poem and one chapter, right? The ball poem and for the diary of Anne Frank. Great. So now today we are going to do Amanda. Okay, page number 61.
Sir, it's in which book?
It's what?
Sir, it's in which book?
It is in first flight. Yeah, you must know.
Ah, okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Chalo. Now, Amanda is a beautiful poem. Poem नाम की है एक mother और daughter का संवाद. The conversation between the mother and daughter. Well, you know what is the household fact, right? The mother keeps on screaming on her daughter about how careless she is. Okay, and but the good thing about Amanda is that she lives in her own beautiful virtual world. And of course, almost all the girls, they have that kind of dream that Amanda has. But somehow here the expressions, the thoughts, the beliefs, the ideology of Amanda is expressed in the poem. Probably they can also be your words. Okay, because somehow deep inside we want freedom. There are, reasons that we want freedom for many things in this world, right? It's not only freedom that I say that we want to be free. We don't want someone to point us out. Okay, we don't want someone to scold us. No, I'm not talking about this kind of freedom, but I'm talking about the kind of freedom that we look for. That means, the freedom of taking breathe peacefully, the freedom from the attachments of the worldly responsibilities. The freedom that we want is that no one should answer us or no one should question us. Okay, we should have our own tiny world, or also call it as island. Yeah, where we wish to express our own self. We call that island as our own. Okay, and yeah, that's the kind of freedom that I'm talking about. Here, this poem, Amanda talks about what Amanda wishes to have, kind of dreams that Amanda wishes. Okay, but somehow, it looks like her mother is trying to drag her, not in a way that she's asking her to stop dreaming, but somehow mother knows the reality, the ground reality. See, no matter how good you dream, no matter you wish to be the daughter of the Saudi prince, okay, but somehow we know that we are born and brought up in our culture, our own tradition. We have our own limitations, we have our own customs, and actually we love to be around it, okay, because we have been born and brought up accordingly. Okay, so maybe mother wants her daughter to be a complete good girl, which ideally a teenager can never be like, because teenage is such kind of age where you learn a lot out of your mistakes. That's the high point where we are likely to make many mistakes. And guess what? Everyone does. ये बड़े होते हैं ना तब बुद्धि आती है, और सब हम बाद में आपके लिए ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, फिर आप राइट रुद्रा, राइट रुद्रा, ऐसा क्यों किया आपको पता होना चाहिए ना. But when I was a teen, I also did the same. So what right do I have? You understand? What right do I have? I don't have any right. But somehow, they are elders for some reason. Okay? Maybe they have seen better world than you. So they know the pros and cons of the society, the elements of the society, and what kind of people we have in society. No matter how bad you are in your family, but your reputation is still good. But if you do something bad in your own society, so we have people like this, who will keep on talking about you, who will have a reason, because you are providing them a reason, right? So unless we improve, so mother's point of view is from that side. She doesn't want someone else to point to. That's why she's pointing. Likewise, father also, elder brother or sister also. Okay, so let us read this poem, understand what are the elements where Amanda actually wishes to have freedom, and what are the restrictions that actually mother wants to lay over Amanda. Shall we? Married karo poem ki aap. Who will read? Who wants to read the poem? You have to be allowed, okay? Zor se padhna.
Can I?
आपका नाम है? आधा तो है ना, ये मास्क के अंदर मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे. मानिक, you Jainam, you are Jainam Mewada, you are Jainam Shah, you Tithi, once, yes, once, Sandra, you Meera. I think you were there in first online class, right? But then back to back we had two offline class, first offline class, and then we had two back to back online class, and then the fourth one that we have right now is offline, right? Okay, what's your good name? Mahi. My full name Patel. You? Isha full name Isha Shah. Yashvi Sab, right? Okay. So let us start Mahi. Then I will give you a chance to read. This is how to read poem. That is also important, because poem is different than prose. Because poem has a bigger message using very less words. Prose has many words, many messages. Okay? All right. Every child feels that she or he is controlled and instructed not to do one thing or another. And I'm sure everyone is agreeing it, right? You too may feel that your freedom is curtailed. कहीं ना कहीं आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपकी जो फ्रीडम है उसे पर्दे लगाए जा रहे हैं या फिर उसे रोका जा रहा है. You may feel as a teenager, right? Write down some of things you want to do, I don't want to do, but your parents, elders do not allow you to do. There are many things, right, that you wish to do. We have to-do list, you know, to-do list. अगर बहुत ही अच्छे स्टूडेंट हो आप तो आपके रूम के सॉफ्ट बोर्ड के ऊपर टू-डू लिस्ट लिखा होगा before 25. You know, there are, you know, big and millionaire kids. They have these things. There are to-do list, you know, travel the world before 30. You know, they have this kind of wish list. You know, they call it as bucket list. But to what extent, you know, they are able to fulfill what they need. Okay, so let us live in reality. But then, you know, certainly we do have ground, you know, dreams, and I think dreams are the source of inspiration somehow. Not for many, but of course for a few. So of course, ये जो activity जो आपको बोल रहे हैं, it says that you should jot down couple of things that you wish to do, but you are certainly not allowed by your parents or elders. Okay, but we are not going to do that. Relax. To read this poem aloud, form pairs, each reading alternate stanzas. You are in for a surprise. We're going to do that once we're done with this. Be ready. Don't bite your nails, Amanda. Don't hunch your shoulders, Amanda. Stop that slouching and set up straight. So she's typically scolding her daughter. Stop doing what you are doing. Hey, she says, don't bite your nails. As a teenager, as a kid, we are quite, you know, fond of, actually biting our nails. You know, the hobby goes on when we are older. But the reason is different. The reason is when we are nervous, we bite our nails. And you bite your nails for no reason. Anyways, biting of the nails is there. Okay. So yeah, she stops her to bite the nails. Don't hunch your shoulders, Amanda. You know, the denial kind of, you know, because she cannot speak from her mouth directly to her mom, because she knows the consequences, what will be there afterwards. So she shows that kind of gesture which are showcasing total denial. Okay, understood? No, I don't agree to you. Do whatever you want. And that thing, see? Stop that flouting and still totally relaxed. You see, she's least bothered girl in this poem. Well, let us see from the point of view of Amanda now. There is a languid emerald sea, vast area fell over the sea, where the sole inhabitant is me. Home. A mermaid, you know what is a mermaid? Drifting blissfully. There is no one to stop this mermaid. Okay, she, you know, she's diving into the sea, she's getting out, and she can sail to the extent that she wishes to. She can go wherever she wants to. She can live wherever she wishes to. I am that one in that emerald sea, wide-spread sea. That is this inhabited place solely owned by me. I'm a mermaid. And I wish to travel or sail as much as I want. Understood?
Sir,
Did you finish your
blissfully the meaning?
Yes.
Blissfully meaning?
What?
Blissfully meaning?
Blissfully. Well, blissfully, see, it's a blessing to have, you know, this kind of life that she wishes to. Okay, blissfully. Okay, that's a bliss. Okay.
Okay,
bless-
sir.
Yeah.
Now, what is slouching in the first stanza?
Slouching instead of, you know, not to sit, you know, ideally like how people should sit in a very careless position or a very, you know, carefree position. Okay, so yeah, that is an adjective actually. Okay. Did you finish your homework, Amanda? Did you tidy your room, Amanda? I thought I told you to clean your shoes. 3 tasks have been assigned. First is what? The task is to complete the home. Second task is to tidy your room. And third task is to shine up the shoes, right? Clean the Choose Amanda. It looks like none of these things have been done by Amanda, right? मतलब अपने ही माहौल में she is living her own life. I am an orphan. See here, orphan means anath nahi hota, okay? Usually the meaning of orphan is anath. But here, when she says that she is an orphan, she means that there is no one, to guide her. There is no one to tell her what she has to do, how she has to do, in what way she has to do. Okay, that you have to do this, you have to do that. In that terms, she considers herself to be an orphan. Roaming the street, like how orphans, the quality of the orphans is taken here, but not the actual orphan. Understand this. We are discussing the qualities of the orphan. Okay, like orphans, they don't have parents, they don't have the house of their own, they are found loitering on the streets, okay, without any kind of responsibilities, without anyone, taking their care, okay, without any kind of responsibilities to execute. Okay, so she wishes to be an orphan in this regards. She also wants to roam the street. I pattern soft dust with my hushed bare feet. खुले पैर, मुझे मिट्टी में डिजाइन अलग अलग बनानी है बिना किसी के रोक टोक. The silence is golden, the freedoms. The silence is golden in a way that there is no one to stop her from doing so. There is no one who is going to stop her from making those patterns in the sand. The silence is what? Golden. The freedom that I have to do this, that I'm allowed to do this. Freedom is very. Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda. Remember your nickname, Amanda. Will you please look at me when I'm speaking to you, Amanda? So, when someone is scolding you, you are looking either down or up. We don't look up, right? So we in short, we don't see the eyes of the one who scolded us, right? The gestures that we execute, right? हम हर जगह देखते हैं सिवाय उनकी आंखों में तो हमको डांट. हम पूरा यूनिवर्स देखते हैं, but we don't see into the eyes of the person who is scolding us. See, that is also one reason why the person gets irritated more. See if you respond well. We are told and see, we don't know the outcomes, right? The way we will respond. So we'll keep see the level of intensity which we are scolded. And they're right, but these are our expressions that we record, right? And we are afraid. Today also I'm afraid of my parents, right? And there is nothing wrong. Though they are not going to scold me, but they have right to scold me. If they scold me, I cannot deny that. Why did you scold me? I am grown up now. Slap me more. You see, you cannot tell your elders that you don't have right to scold unless you have US citizenship, right? Where you can literally sue your parents because the government allows you that the moment you cross your 18, you have your own right. Okay, you have a freedom to do anything you wish to. But thank God that we don't have this right. You dare tell your parents that I'm going to sue you, and they'll take you to the police station. Come, let's go together. Do whatever you want. Let me see how do you know. We won't know what to sue means. Reasons, right? They have seen us growing and they know where exactly we are going to melt. So they know the tantrums. And I think this is also kind of love that they have for us. Probably we, mistake it in other way. But their love, for us is eternal. And understand this one thing in your life that even the world is against you, but your parents will be with you. Even if you do all wrong things with them, but they will still stand by your side, and that's a good sign. Okay, so try to look into this aspects of your life. Also, that it's a bliss to have your parents in your life. Okay. So here, mother points her out for not eating the chocolate. Actually, she also asks her to remember her acne, pimples. Okay, maybe if she eats chocolates, maybe she has acne problem. Okay, she is not looking at her mother, and that is probably what making her angry more. Okay, so this is a good lesson that for some reasons. I am Rapunzel. I'm sure when you were tiny, you have heard the story of the Rapunzel. Okay, the long haired story, you see. I have not a care. Life in a tower is tranquil and rare. No, tranquil, calm, and composed. There are no worldly worries. You're free of everything. It looks like you're sitting on the edge of salvation. All right, that means you don't have any worries. You don't have any people that you have to look for or you have to take care of. You don't have any responsibility. You just mind your own business. You enjoy. So that's the level that Amanda talks about here. Okay? Life is challenging. Yes?
आपकी आवाज बस break हो रही है.
Sneha, can you be aloud? I cannot hear you.
Sir, voice is breaking.
Your voice is also breaking. Coincidence. Just a minute. Let me try something. Now, can you hear me clearly?
Sir, it's
It's
showing
showing
that your
network is
bandwidth is low.
Fine, no? I know. But I will log in with the institute's Wi-Fi in the next class. Because right now, if I log in, I'll have to re-log in again. Okay? It will take a lot of time. So maybe next time I'm going to start using the Wi-Fi of the institute. I'm using my data plan right now. So bear with this, please. Okay?
Okay.
She says that she's Rapunzel and she doesn't care. Okay, that life in a travel is very calm and very rare. Not everyone is gifted with this kind of life that Rapunzel was gifted with. Okay, I will certainly never let down my bride, but unlike Rapunzel, I'm not going to let my hair get down. Have you read that story of Rapunzel? Yeah? Okay, sure. Great. Stop that sulking at once, Amanda. You're always so moody, Amanda. Anyone would think that I nagged at you, Amanda. That means you see now the reason is she says that stop that sulking at once. That means stop not paying attention to me, stop being so lethargic, stop being so that kind of person who is least bothered about what I'm saying. Okay, please be concerned. Please listen to me what I am saying. Please take these things seriously because it looks like you are moody. If you want to listen, then only you will listen. Else you will take it for granted. Okay, you are so moody, Amanda. Anyone who would think that I nagged at you, anyone who would look into our conversation will feel like that I am scolding you for no reason. But Amanda, this is for you. Okay, that's what happens, many a times when your mother teases you. There are two reasons. या तो उनको कोई परवाह नहीं है कि सामने कौन है, या तो वो हमेशा आपको बोलेगी दो लोग सुनेंगे तो क्या कहेंगे. All right, but in the first case, she will try to make you a very solid girl, okay, a solid kid that no other person in this world will ever be able to tell you anything except her. The way she will scold you, she will show you that she only has right to scold you like this, and no one else has that kind of right. With that, she has that approach. All right. So here she says that stop being so lethargic, stop being so lame. Pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay, you are so moody. If you want to listen, then okay, you will listen. Else you will have an approach of taking it for granted. Anyone who will listen to our talks will feel that I'm scolding you, I'm screaming at you for no reason. Stop behaving like this. Amen. Any doubts? Any queries? Did you understand, online students? Priyansh, Manya, आपके cameras off है. What are you doing? Eating snacks? The background? Huh?
No, sir, here only.
Yes, then turn on your cameras. Come on. There are a few students who have not yet turned on their cameras. Okay, this is not a motivational lecture going on. You have to respond when I ask you to respond. Okay, fine. Chalo, keep your cameras on.
Just looking me.
What?
Looking meaning.
What? Sulking or slouching?
Just looking. Huh.
Slouching, right?
No,
Yes
no,
or no?
sir.
Slouching?
Sulking.
Sulking. Okay. See, she says stop that sulking at once. You know, the way you have been, approaching, the way you have been behaving. Stop behaving like this in a very, lethargic, lame, or very ill manner. Okay, behave properly. That's what the expectation is from mom to Amanda. Understood? How many of you have
Yes,
Rachna
sir.
Sagar right now with you? Everyone has Rachna Sagar? You have it, or
Yes,
you are
sir.
yet to get it? You are yet to purchase it? You had it, right? Okay, you have it? Not right now. But at your home, you have it? Do you own a Rachna Sagar? What about the online students? Do you own it? Yes, you have it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Few of you are nodding like this. A few of you. But I have to respond to them at the same time. So you have it or you don't.
We are
Right?
just saying we have it.
Sir, I
So the final conclusion is have it or not have it.
Sir, I don't have. Not have.
जिनके पास है वो बोलो have it. जिनके पास नहीं है don't have it. Go, quick. The count of 3. 3,
Sir, I don't have.
1,
don't have.
go.
Have it.
Sir, I don't
Sir,
have.
I don't have.
Don't have it.
Okay, fine, understood. It's okay. Never mind. I'm just asking that if you have it, then we can practice from that as well. Okay. All right. So I think any doubts, any queries?
Sir, actually, I have both all-in-one and Rachna Sagar. So, which is the better one to use?
Both.
The
Then you will
school
have an
says-
additional knowledge.
The school says use all-in-one, and the teacher, you and the Anshu ma'am told use Rachna Sagar. So,
No,
what
no,
to
no,
use?
I'm not telling. It's okay if you have all in one. That is also better, right? But we have our own edition of Rachna Sagar, like Sandeep sir's his own edition of Rachna Sagar.
Yes,
So that's
sir.
what I'm
That
telling. Those students who enroll, they get Rachna Sagar from here. Okay, so that's what I am asking. If you have all in one, then it's very good. No issues. Okay, you can.
Sir,
go
we
with-
have to purchase it. It is compulsory.
It's not compulsory, but we are doing. I'm asking it for the practice sake, for a ready reference. Okay, that you don't get stuck up anywhere. All right.
Okay, sir.
Sure. So now we will be reading aloud. Yes. Amanda is. She thinks that she is a mermaid and she has this vast, sea, language sea, where she can, drift peacefully. Okay, she calls herself to be a mermaid. Okay. So how many students we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. 11 students. So let us divide ourselves into 6, 5. Into 4. Second batch. Okay. So now we have 6, 5. Right. See, what I'm going to see is then there is also the online students who are going to read this poem. Okay. So be ready. Once these people are done, they are going to read it loud. So you have to show them that your voice is better than theirs. Okay, so it's the competition. Yeah, are we in for the bet?
sure, sir.
Very good. Let us do. So this set of people are going to read the poem first. Let us see who are better, you or you. What I'm going to see is how you synchronize with each other in reading. Okay, how each words are read together. That is what I'm going to look. Okay, the count of 3, you are going to read. You are going to start reading. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Aloud, so say. Continue. Okay, it was 60-40. 60% of synchronization I could see, 40% probably I couldn't see. But you know, when you read over and over again, I think 60 will increase to 65, 70, 75, 80. So gradually you are going to progress. Now let us see how these people are reading everything. Okay, you now know how to read, right? Based on how they have read. Chalo, let us start. 3, 2, 1, start. Allow. Please. Yes, very good. All right, so online people ready? Yes.
Yes.
Let us see what kind of synchronization you all have, right? I hope you know the instructions. First of all, keep your cameras on, everyone. Chalo. Let me see you how you read. Okay. I hope you know on which page we are in, because those who have
Yes, sir.
turned off their cameras, I'm doubtful about them. Okay, so it is page number 61. Okay, and we are going to read it together. You don't have to stop in between unless you finish the poem. Okay, so the count of 3, you are going to start reading together. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Come on. अबे जोर से पढ़ना है. You don't have to read silently. You have to read out loud. Come on, show your voice. Make us hear your voice. Come on. Again, okay? 1, 2, 3, start. तो ये लोग हंस रहे हैं, आपको दिखाऊं? These people are laughing at you. Show them that you all can read. Come on.
Actually, we are reading.
See, don't think about the others, okay? Even if there will be one voice, the others will join you. So be the beginner, okay? I will see who begins. Okay, I'm eagerly looking for him or her. Okay? So once again, this time don't make a fool of me, okay? 1, 2, 3, start.
Don't bite your nails,
Amanda. Don't
Don't
hunch your
hunch
shoulders, Amanda.
Stop that
Stop slouching and sit up straight, Amanda.
There's a languid emergency where the soul inhabited is me, a mermaid drifting blissfully.
Voice is gone.
कैसे मैं अकेली पढ़ रही थी? Hello, sir.
नहीं सर हम पढ़ रहे थे.
Please continue.
Did you finish your homework, Amanda? Did you tidy up your room, Amanda? I thought I told you to clean your shoes, Amanda. I'm an
orphan roaming the
Roaming the
street. I
street.
pattern soft dust with my hushed bare feet.
The silence is golden. The freedom is sweet. Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda. Remember your and Amanda.
Acne, Amanda.
Amanda. Will you please look at me when I'm speaking to you, Amanda? I'm a pencil. I have not a care. Life in a tower is
Tranquil and rare.
tranquil and rare. I will certainly never let down my bright hand. Stop as looking at
Stop
once.
that looking once, Amanda. You are always so
Always
moody,
moody,
Amanda.
Anyone
would think
think
that I nagged at you, Amanda.
So only 2 students' voice I could hear. Okay. And I couldn't see them speaking, but only 2 voices I could hear. Now we have to do one thing. Now I will read and you will read behind me. Okay, fair enough. And this
Okay.
applies to the online students also. Okay, this time you have to read louder
Sure, sir.
and you feel the poem. You feel as if you are yourself Amanda. Okay, and you are yourself a mother. Ready? We'll keep
Yes.
a proper. Yeah. You have to repeat what I said, right? So you don't even look. Anyways, it's okay. All right, let's begin. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Don't bite your nails, Amanda.
Don't
Don't
bite
your
nails, Amanda.
Hunch your shoulders, Amanda.
Don't hunch your shoulders,
Amanda.
Stop that slouching.
Stop that slouching.
Sit up straight.
And sit up
Sit up
straight.
straight.
Amanda.
There is a language.
Yes,
There is
the
a
language.
See,
MNC.
where the sole inhabitant
Where the sole inhabitant
is me.
is me.
Mermaid
The mermaid
drifting blissfully.
drifting blissfully.
Did you finish your
Blissfully.
homework, Amanda?
Did you finish your
Did you
homework,
finish your
Amanda?
homework,
Did you
Amanda?
tidy your room, Amanda?
Did you
Did
tie
you
your
tidy
room?
your room, Amanda?
I am an orphan. No,
I
told you.
I thought
I
I told you
told you
Clean your shoes, Amanda.
to
to clean your shoes, Amanda.
I am an orphan
I am an orphan
roaming the street.
roaming the street.
I pattern
I pattern
soft dust
soft dust
my hushed
with my hushed
bare feet.
bare feet.
The silence is golden.
The silence is golden.
The freedom is sweet.
The freedom is sweet.
Don't eat that
Freedom
chocolate,
is sweet.
Amanda.
Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda.
Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda.
Remember your acne, Amanda.
Remember your acne,
Your acne,
Amanda.
Amanda.
Will you please look at me
Will you
Will
please
you
look
please
at
look
me
at me
when I'm speaking to you, Amanda?
when I'm
when I'm
speaking to you, Amanda?
Amanda?
I am Rapunzel.
I am
I am
Rapunzel.
I
Rapunzel.
have not a care.
I have not a care.
Life in a tower
Life in a tower
is tranquil and rare.
is
Tranquil
tranquil
and
and
rare.
rare.
I will certainly
I will
I will
certainly
never
certainly
let down
never
never
let
let
down
my
down
bright hair.
my
my
bright
bright
hair.
hair.
Stop that sulking at once, Amanda.
Stop that's lurking at once, Amanda.
You're always so moody, Amanda.
You are so
You're
moody,
always
Amanda.
so moody, Amanda.
Anyone,
Anyone,
I
Anyone,
repeat, anyone
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 would think that
would
would think
that
that
I nagged at you, Amanda.
I
I
nagged
have
at
been
you,
necked
Amanda.
at you, Amanda.
Yes. See, when you read out in a team, the spirit gets high, right? I think that is the purpose of the poem. Okay, poem is a poem for some reasons. Okay, so take care, you can shift back side. So I hope that this poem you have understood. Do you have any doubts? Did you understand each and everything?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
are there any questions and answers here? How many questions are there?
9 questions.
Yes, but I think the last ones must be detailed ones or your opinion based. Can you read the first question, Bansi?
How old do Amanda is? How do you know this?
Yes. Now, who will give this genuine answer? Only one hand. Yes, Jaina. Why do you think? Why 10 years? तो आपने mistake कर. See, how can you be so specific that it should be 10 years only? Yes. That's a very good response. The teenager starts from 13 to 19. Yes, why? Kind of, okay, yeah, please go ahead. Tiny world. That means she wishes to do the things by her own way, right? She has her own opinion, she has her own beliefs, and more or less, she has her own world where she is actually traveling, right? So, yes, she is a teenager, and probably we can say this because kind of dreams that she has, okay, and the way she responds or the way she doesn't respond to her mother, we can feel that she finds herself to be confined at one place, and she has her own world of traveling. She has her own world to be a mermaid, so that she can, dive freely into the Emerald Ocean. Okay, so that's how you can elaborate your answer. Okay, number 2, of course,
My
mother.
mother.
Yes, mother is the answer. Third question. No, wait. Why do you think she's mother? If I ask you this question, just because I told you it is mother, then tell me why. See, there is no specification that mother only is speaking.
So it could be any elder person than Amanda.
See, any elder person from family, ये तो sure. इतना ज़्यादा family वाले ही डांट सकते, ठीक है ना? बाहर वाले
Maybe
को
sister or mother.
मुंह पे चिपका देते हैं. Yes. Yes. The last stanza, right? The second line, I guess, second last line. Anyone who will, see, will think that I nagged at you. But I think, is the word mother described here? It's what you and I believe, right? but the reality is something different, right? Anyone guess who is the character who is holding the child? Just don't believe just because I said. You have your own logical, reasoning. So why
So
is it mother going
parents
to-
was mentioned at above in the poem.
What is it? Yeah,
In the
of
blue
course, but
box.
that is the detailed. Okay, it's about the poem, I guess, right?
Yes.
Okay, let us do one thing. Let us skip mother off because no general or a specific character of the family, is highlighted. And इतना closely तो सिर्फ मम्मी डांट सकती है, और वो भी daughter है. पापा डांटते हैं तो हमको रोना है. मम्मी की डांट से हमको आदत पड़ती है ना. तो मॉम की डांट से we are habituated. तो पापा डांटते हैं. Keep safe distance. The boys, they keep a special distance, because there is no gap of scolding. There is only a tight slap. The boys are meant for this. You have been beaten, right? By your father. Yeah, I also. It's very normal. नहीं मारा है तो भी क्यों मारा? You should wonder. क्या 14 years का हो गया सब जब तो मेरे पैर नहीं छुआ है. Then you are overly pampered, and I'm afraid that you may not be able to survive in this cruel world. So I'll tell you, having having a weak heart in this cruel world is a courage and not cowardness. Yes. Okay. And I think I also gave the same example last week, where my example with. I'm sorry. So, okay, so it's okay. So here, let us confine the character to be mother. ठीक है? अगर कोई और नया character आपके दिमाग में या फिर कहीं पे दिखता हो तो please मुझे भी बता.
A sister.
Because I research properly.
So it
Okay?
can be elder sister.
I am afraid there can be no other member because family members ही होने चाहिए. बड़ा भाई और
Also,
बड़े
elder sister.
they are not
Elder
interested
sister.
in, right? They are busy in their own world, right? They are struggling their own life. Why should they interrupt in your life? So let us ignore the cousin. Now parents. Now उसमें से भी पापा पूरे दिन तो busy हो. घर पे होते हो आप और आपके मदर या ग्रैंडमदर या ग्रैंडफादर पूजा पूजा सब बैठ रहे थे. Grandmother, your mother, they are in kitchen, and they wish that you should also be in kitchen. Learn new good things to cook. Yeah, of course you do educate yourself, but this is also worth learning, right? So I think 90% mother ही होनी. Okay, let us not discuss in detail anymore like on this topic. Let us fix mother. Which is the next question? Because they have been exclusively the imaginary thing from the point of view of Amanda. Okay, those are the imaginations, beautiful imaginations. Okay, next is
Who is this speaker because and the school who is it? Do you think this speaker listens to this and the one parent?
Amanda.
Amanda.
Yes.
No.
The 3 words answer your detailed question. But see, ये मैं बोल सकता हूँ, ठीक है? As a student, आपको हमेशा detail में answer देना पड़ेगा. Yes, what is? सुनने का ढोंग करती है ना, मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ. She pretends as if she is listening to her mother because there is no other person except the daughter and mother. Besides, नहीं सुनेगी तो जाएगी कहाँ? वो जो सोच सी है वो तो दिमाग में है. She's not actually on the beach or island, right? Where she can run away from her mother. That no, I'll talk to you in the evening. Let me enjoy the waves. No, she's not telling like that, right? But yes, somehow you can say yes, she listens, but not listens to her carefully or in detail. Probably it looks like she's pretending to listen. You cannot directly say that no, she's not listening. Okay, so you can say that she pretends to listen, but she's actually not. Understood? Next question. You know, right? To dive and to roam freely. There is no stoppage for her. Next. She's not actually an orphan, I told you, right? While I was explaining you the But now you have to mold your answer. Okay, yeah. Orphan in a way, the freedom that she doesn't want anyone to tell her anything. She doesn't want anyone to scold her. She doesn't want anyone to confine her with any limitations around her. She wants to live a life of her own. Probably she imagines herself to be on an inhabited place as a lone person where she can freely swim just like a. You have to mold your answer, okay? Yes. Next.
So, the story of Rapunzel, why does she want to be a woman?
I think इसमें 2-3 क्वेश्चन तो हमने लाइव एक्सप्लेनेशन के टाइम पे ही दे दिए थे, राइट? आई एम श्योर इफ यू अगर शायद गोथ्रू भी की होगी तो भी शायद याद भी नहीं होगी, ठीक है? ये भी रियलिटी है. ओके, so please, you know, when you go home, just have a little glimpse of the story of Rapunzel. Okay, फिर YouTube पे 2-3 मिनट का Rapunzel का वीडियो देख लेना स्टोरी के, you'll get a detailed idea. So the answer will be yes. Continue.
What is the word yen for? What does this point tell about?
Yen for means looking for, urging for, appealing for her own self. She wants freedom. She wants to travel freely. She wants to do designs in the sand. Probably all those things which her parents ironically and ideally would deny at first to do so. Okay. देखो ये prompt answer आ रहे हैं, but then when you actually, you know, writing the answer, you have to frame it properly. Okay. Just because I am saying your random answers, of course they are correct, but when you are actually writing, you are writing for your teacher. Okay, so please make sure that it justifies the question. Okay, yeah. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. But why are you just stuck with the word called mermaid? You see the qualities that the mermaid has. What are the qualities? Is anyone to stop her? No. Is anyone that she has to respond to? No. Is anyone that she has to, write the login time and log out time? See, we are here discussing about the qualities that are associated with mermaid. Okay, so mermaid is actually a metaphor to the freedom that Amanda is looking to. Okay, why she chose only mermaid? Why not she chose to be a fish? See, that is also a question, right? Because fish doesn't have that quality. She can be a food of any other larger animal. You see, she may be following the food chain. You know the food chain, right? I'm sure they must be taught in science.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, so focus on quality than the character. Okay. Yeah. Then. Yes, because her mother says. Oh, we agree, right? Okay. See, don't try to get involved in this last particular stanza, and you say yes, because somehow the tonal quality of mother is also such. Because we have been listening to the appeals of mother also since our 3 songs. So थोड़ा बहुत हमको mother के favor में भी लिखना. Okay. Yes. Next. That's it. Done. Any doubt so far in this poem? So in our next class, what are we going to do? Chapter, right? All right. Thank you so much, you students. You don't have any homework. Enjoy. Goodbye. Take
Extra
care.
questions?
हाँ लिख सकते हो, लिखना है तो आपकी मर्जी से.
नहीं सर, आपने फिर एनी फ्रैंक के दिए थे, वैसे आप इसके भी दोगे क्या एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन?
Yes, but that was for the understanding, because that excerpt was quite difficult. So I thought that extra questions will help you out. Okay?
ओके सर.
Hello, bye.
बाय सर.
Bye, Vila.